Wounds and injuries. Wounds are injuries that break the skin or other body tissues. They include cuts, scrapes, scratches, and punctured skin. They often happen because of an accident. But surgery, sutures, and stitches also cause wounds. Abrasion wound. An abrasion is a type of open wound that caused by the skin rubbing against a rough surface. It may called a scrape or a graze. When an abrasion is caused by the skin sliding across hard ground, it may be called road rush. Diabetic foot ulcer. A diabetic foot ulcer is an open sore or wound that occurs in approximately 15% of patients with diabetes and is commonly located on the bottom of the foot. Of those who develop a foot ulcer, 6% will be hospitalized due to infection or other ulcer related complication. Avulsion. An avulsion is a partial or complete tearing away of skin and the tissue beneath. And avulsions usually occur during violent accidents, such as body crashing accidents, explosions, and gunshots. They bleed heavily and rapidly. Laceration. A laceration is a cut that goes all the way through the skin. The cut may be small, cared for at home. Deep lacerations go beneath the skin through the fat layer or to the muscle layer and may need medical help right away. Pressure ulcers, or also known as pressure sores or bed sores. These are injuries to the skin and underlying tissues primarily caused by prolonged pressure on the skin. They can happen to anyone, but usually affect people confined to bed or who sit in a chair or wheelchair for long periods of time. Gunshot wound. A gunshot wound is a caused when a bullet or other projectile is shot into or through the. Let's move on to injury. An injury is a damage to your body. It is a general term that refers to harm caused by accidents, falls, hits, weapons, and more. These injuries range from minor to life-threatening. Injuries can happen at work or play, indoors or outdoors, driving a car or walking across the street. The first injury is an animal bites. This injury rarely are life-threatening, but if they become infected, you can develop serious medical problems. Second is bruises. Bruises is a mark on your skin caused by blood trapped under the surface. It happens when an injury crushes small blood vessels but does not break the skin. Bruises are often painful and swollen. You can get skin, muscle, and bone bruises. Third is a burn. A burn is damage to your body's
Fourth,
tissues
we have
caused by heat, chemicals,
Dislocations
electricity,
are joint
sunlight,
injuries
or
that force
radiation.
the ends of your
Scalds
bones
from
out
hot
of
liquids and
position.
steam. The cause
Building
is often a fall or a blow, sometimes from playing a contact sport. You can dislocate your ankles, knees, shoulders, hips, elbows, and jaw. Fifth is electrical injuries. Electrical injuries occur when you come in direct contact with electricity. It can pass through your body and cause injuries. These electrical injuries can be external or internal. Sixth, we have fracture. A fracture is a break, usually in bone. If the broken bone punctures the skin, it is called an open or compound fracture. Fractures commonly happen because of car accidents, falls, or sports injuries. Other causes are low bone density and osteoporosis, which cause weakening of the bones.